Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. For this video, I will be going over the 4-point problems for the 2014 Math Kangaroo Levels 3 and 4 test. Let's start with number 9. Mr. Brown painted some flowers on the store window. See the picture on the right. What do these flowers look like from the other side of the window? So we want to mirror it this way so we can see the back of it. So when you're looking from the back, the opposite one that's at the end will be first, meaning that B cannot be an answer because this flower will be first. And that also means that this flower will be at the other end, which all of these do have. Next, that means the leaf will be on the end side, and this will be on the left side. So let's check. Yes, yes. Not for D, not for C, leaving us with either A or E. So, since it's like this, it's not going to turn upside down when you look at it. It'll just be facing the other direction because we're not flipping it this way. We're flipping it to the side, meaning it'll turn sideways, not upside down, meaning it also can't be A, leaving us with only E. Number 10. There were some pieces of candy in a bowl. Sally took half of the pieces of candy. Then Tom took half of the pieces left in the bowl. After that, Clara took half of the remaining pieces. In the end, there were 6 pieces of candy in the bowl. How many pieces of candy were in the bowl at the beginning? So we end with 6. Then Clara took half of the remaining pieces. So we either divide it by half, which is the same thing as multiplying by 2. So 6 times 2 equals 12. So before Clara took it, there were 12. Now, Tom took half of the pieces left in the bowl. An easier way to look at half is draw a diagram. So we have this, we split it in half, then 12 is going to be one of the parts. What's the other one? So there's 2 parts, one of them's 12. 12 times 2, we get 24. So now Sally also took half, so we can do the same thing and multiply 24 with 2, and we can get 48. So, at the beginning, there were 48 pieces of candy. On to number 11. Which tile must be added to the picture so that the total light gray area is the same as the total dark gray area? I think the whitish one is light gray, and the dark one is dark gray. So, we're going to cross out every piece of white or light gray and then gray. So, this one matches this one matches this, these two match, these two match, these two match. Meaning that we have to have another whole gray one because this one is just left with one light gray one, which has to be matched with B, a full dark gray one. Number 12. Paula shoots arrows at the target shown on the left. When she misses the target, she gets 0 points. Paula shoots 2 arrows and adds the total number of points. Which of the following sums cannot be her score? So, we're going to start with 100. So 100 can be made in 2 arrows by doing 50 plus 50. So 50 plus 50, 90. Okay, so at the moment, I don't think 90 can be made. So I think 90 might be our answer. 80. 80 can be 50 plus 30. 70 can be 70 plus 0 because if she misses, she can get 70. And 60 can be 30 plus 30. So the answer for number 12 is D. Number 13. Mary had equal numbers of red, yellow, and green tokens. She used some of these tokens to make a pile. You can see all the tokens she used in the figure. After making the pile, she still has 5 tokens which were not used. How many yellow tokens does she have at the beginning? So you can see that we have one red one here, one red here, one red here, one red here, and then one red here. So that's 5 red. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4 yellow, plus 1 2, 3, 4 green. And there's no hidden ones because it says that we can see all the tokens. So that means there's no hidden ones. So when you add this, you get 13. And it says that there were 5 tokens that were not used. So 13 plus 5 equals 18. Now it has an even number of each. So since there's 3 colors, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So there's 6 of each. And it says how many tokens did she have at the beginning. There's 6 red, 6 yellow, 6 green, meaning the answer is B6. 14. Peter Rabbit likes cabbages and carrots very much. In one day, he can eat only 9 carrots, or only 2 cabbages, or 1 cabbage and 4 carrots. During 1 week, Peter ate 30 carrots. How many cabbages did he eat during that week? So if he ate 30 carrots, we can have to make it using 9 carrots and 4 carrots. So let's try subtracting 9 from it and seeing if we get a multiple of 4. So 30 minus 9 equals 21. Not a multiple of 4, so we have to subtract 9 again. 21 minus 9 equals 12. That is a multiple of 4. So for 2 days, he ate 9 carrots. So 2 days, he only ate 9 carrots. So D stands for day, C stands for carrots. And then he can also eat 4 carrots and 1 cabbage. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So for 3 days, he ate 1 cabbage plus 1 carrot. So cabbage will be CA and carrot will be C. That means since there's 7 days in a week, and we've done 3 plus 2, which is 5. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. So for 2 days, he ate 2 cabbages. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 of cabbage were eaten without any of the 1 cabbages. So for 3 days, he ate 1 cabbage and 1 carrot. We only have to worry about the cabbage part. So 3 times 1 equals 3. No. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the answer for number 14 is B7. That was a lot of work. I almost ran out of space. 15. The solid in the picture to the right was made by sticking 8 identical cubes together. What does the solid look like from directly above? So it can't be A because first of all there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the top surface things. So no A, meaning also no B. Can be C because there's 5. Cannot be D. And it cannot be E. So leaving us with only C. Finally, number 16. How many dots are in this picture? So this is going to be a very long one, but I think we can do it. So let's count how many are in the first row. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in the first row. For the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then let's check. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, 16, 8, 15. There's no pattern really. Now we just have 1 dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Then I think it's 16, 8, 15, 7. That's the pattern. So 16, 8, 15, 7. 16, yep. 8, yep. 15, then 7. So that's the pattern. 16, 8, 15, 7. So third time. Now 16, 8, 15. So it goes this 3 times, then no more 7. So we're going to add this, multiply it by 4, then subtract 7. So when you add all of this, okay, that's a little messy. It's not really in order. So we have 16, 8, 15, 7. 16 plus 8 equals 24. Then we can add 22 to this because that's what 15 plus 7 equals. And I figured this out because I know 15 is 1 less than 16. 7 is 1 less than 8. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 24 minus 2 equals 22. So you add this, 46. We counted 4 rows, so we said we would multiply it by 4, then minus 7. So 46 times 7, 2, then 4. So 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 4. So 7 times, oh, we accidentally multiplied it by 7 because I was talking about 7 too much. So you gotta be careful. And I put the 4 up there. So we multiply by 4. We get 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 2, so 184. Now, from 184, we got 184. But then when we subtract 7, we see that we get something less. So that always means we got an error. So when we got an error, we always have to recheck our mistakes. So that's what we're going to do. See, this problem's going to be long. And if I was actually taking this test, then I would have taken a long time too. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you don't want to do the math or anything, you can honestly just count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here's where we made our mistake. It is actually 16, 8, 16, 8, 16, 8. So 16, no, but just in case, it might actually be 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 16, 8, 16, 7, 16, 8, 16, 7, 16, 8, 16, 7. So that's the pattern. So we can add 16 plus 8 and we get 24. And then 16 plus 7, we get 23. So it'll be 24 and 23. So we add this and we get 47. So it would actually be 47 times 4 minus 7. So that's why we always have to recheck. So we counted incorrectly, which is very simple in this thing to count incorrectly because there's so many dots. 47 times 4, 8, 2. Now we got 188. And when we minus 7 from this, we get B, 181. That was a very long question, and I think it should be a 5-point question in my opinion, but we got past it even if we make a mistake. So the answer for number 16 is B. That's all the 4-point problems. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button and come back for more videos. Thank you.